Hi guys, my name is Preschool Learning. It looks great. Wow! Pink marker pen, black marker pen, brown marker pen, blue marker pen, purple marker pen, yellow marker pen, green marker pen, red marker pen, orange marker pen, blue marker pen. I love painting. Hello kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put everything back when we're done. Color paints. It looks great. Orange marker pen. Yes. Blue marker pen. Wow. Yes. Green marker pen. It looks great. Yes. Pink marker pen. Wow. No. Blue marker pen. Yes. Let's do it. What color is this? Hello kids. Yellow color. It looks great. Wow. Colorful pencils. I love to paint. It looks great. I love painting. Hello kids. What color is this? Yes, yes, yes. Red. Red color. Wow. I like painting. It looks great. Colorful pencils. Color paints. Red marker pen. I love painting. Wow. What color is this? Red. Yes, yes, yes. I love painting. Hello kids. It looks great. It looks great. What color is this? Black marker pen. Wow. It looks great. Wow. I love painting. See you next video. Goodbye.